Look at it now, guys. Not too bad. See me not doing bad. Look at it. Yeah. Not too bad, right? Not too bad at all. Not too bad. Yeah. Not too bad. And I'm here resting. Yes, I'm just gonna go right round there and then I start to sweep. Yeah. Welcome in, guys. Woo. 5 million in the building. Hey guys, thanks for coming in. Mucho, guys. Thank you for the 5 million in the building. I should drink some water. Hydrate back the body. And the sun is hot, guys. But you know you got to do this. Because you don't do this, who is gonna do it? If I don't do it, who is gonna do it? Gotta sweep up here now. Yeah. So Obi will do over there over the weekend. I just do my part. So to have a clean area. So to pin up the clothes is on the line, and that's the line. This is the line here, guys. If you see the pins are on the line, right? Pins are on the line. So I have to clean my area, you know, until they can come and clean the rest. So, you know, we help each other. We don't leave all the work on one person, right? As a family, we help each other, right? I do what I can do, and then Ozzy do the rest. Son do the rest. Yes. So it's a family of 3. I do what I can do. Ozzy do his part. My son do his part. Yeah. And I'm at home alone. So here am I cleaning up. Yeah. So when I start to wash now, I'm good. Yes, 5 million in the building. Appreciate you, right? Appreciate you, my peeps. All right. So let us go and sweep, guys. We can start sweep now, right? We can start sweep. Wonderful. I can start to sweep.